Welcome to your absolute beginner's ab workout. Hi everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabby and today I have for you a 10-minute follow along beginner abs workout. These exercises are great for those people that are maybe new to fitness, maybe getting back into fitness, or maybe new to ab workouts completely. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video, and be sure to drop me a comment down below underneath and leave me any feedback. Let's get straight into it. Starting off by bringing your feet round in front of yourself, you're going to lower yourself all the way down towards the floor. Bring the hands around your hips. Make sure your feet, your knees, your hips are in two straight lines like train tracks down the body. Then you're going to breathe inhale in. You're going to breathe exhale. I want you to tuck the pelvis under, lift the hips off the floor, squeeze the glutes together and roll back down again. I'm going to move my arms so you can see. So you're just taking a little tiny tuck of your hips, lift the hips up and lower back down. As you lift the hips up and away from the floor, pull the belly button down to the spine, little tiny scoop and release back out. So you are literally just tucking the hips under, connecting with your abs, squeezing the glutes together, squeezing your butt together and lower back down to the floor. You've got 3 more of these to go. Little tuck under, keep those hands down and release back out. So your hips literally hover 2 centimeters up and away from the floor. Tuck and lower back down. 1 more. Inhale, exhale, little tuck under the hips, scoop the hips up and lower back down. From here, push the palms back down to the floor. Now you're going to visualize pulling your belly button to the spine. You want to imprint your spine to the floor, tiny gap in your lumbar spine. Push the palms down. Now float your right leg up into a tabletop and then send it back down towards the floor and tap. So float the right leg all the way up and lower back down to the floor. So this is absolute beginner abs. Great as well for postnatal women. Squeezing the leg up and away from the floor, but make sure that you are fit and well before you take this exercise. Squeeze all the way up, lift and lower back down towards the floor. You've got 2 or more on that right leg. Lift and lower back down. You've got 1 more. Pull the navel down, press the ribs together and lower back down. Now you're really going to think about this on this side. Pull the navel down. Imagine you're in a corset and you're squeezing the ribs together as you lift and lower back down, imprinting the spine to the floor. You are working here on your transverse abs, that deep layer of abs. You're also working on your rectus abdominals, which is the top layer of abs, that 6-pack area. Squeeze up. Now you're not just lifting and lowering the leg, you are switching on the abs as you lift and bring it back down. Stick with me. 2 more. All the way up and lift and lower back down. 1 more. All the way up and lift and lower back down. Now you're going to press the palms to the floor, lift 1 leg up into that tabletop, lift now the other leg up into that tabletop, and this should make your abs really switch on here. If your lumbar spine is like this off the floor, you can feel it in your back. You need to pull the navel to the floor, imprint the spine on towards your floor, and you should feel it in those abs. Double check, are your knees over the top of the hips? Have you got a gorgeous tabletop? Now push the palms down, breathe in. As you exhale, pull that belly button further to the floor, press the ribs together and hold. Holding right here. I know it's a burner. Inhale in, exhale away. You're going to give me 6 more seconds here. Feeling the lumbar spine, pull the spine to the floor. 4 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Lower those legs all the way down. Now you're going to breathe in again. Exhale, set 1 leg up, go ahead, sweep that other leg all the way up. Now glue your inner thighs together. Keep the toes together here, pull the spine down, press the ribs together. Open the knees to the side and slowly closing back together again. I see so many people with a massive gap underneath their lumbar spine. All that is going to do is it's going to damage your back. You're going to get a lower backache tomorrow, and you are not working on your abdominals if you've got that huge gap. So please pull the spine to the floor. Think about pressing your belly button down. Press the ribs together. I cannot say that enough. Squeezing back together. You should be fighting for this. It is burning me. Really think about up in the knees. Squeezing back together. Stay in that tabletop. You've got this. 3 more. Open the knees to the side. Squeeze back together again. Just go 2 more here. Open the knees to the side. Squeezing back together again. Last one. Open the knees out to the side. squeeze back together again. Now we are going to hold stillness in the middle. This should be burning your abdominals right now. You're really going to think about pressing the ribs together. Horrible concept, but imagine sewing your ribs up and you're pulling the thread tight. That's how it should feel. You're really pulling those abs together. Inhale in, exhale away. Option here, you can reach one hand up, you can reach the other hand up. If that's too much for you, bring the hands back down towards the floor. If you want it a little bit more intense and you are not going to bring the lumbar spine off the floor, shoot the legs maybe a little bit forwards in front of yourself, but keep pulling the navel down. This will make you shake and tremble, but you're really strengthening up your abdominals, making a change to your waistline, getting stronger abs. Hold here. You've got 10, 9, 8 more seconds, 7, 6, give me 5, you've got to go 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Draw the knees into the chest. Little rock side to side. Then you're going to rock back. You're going to rock up and forwards. We're going to come into a Pilates exercise now, bringing the feet in line with your hips. Now pop the hands underneath your thighs. This part of your spine is going to go down, 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 all the way down to the floor. Not a very flattering position. It will give you rolls. It will give you a lot of wrinkles in your top, but the more wrinkles and rolls you've got, the better it is. You're protecting the spine, pushing it down. You are also working on those abdominals. Bringing that eye line forwards, elbows are nice and wide. Now stay here, breathe in. Breathe out, exhale away. Now I really want you to think about this one. The hip bones, your two hip bones are, keep the hands there, inverting into your belly button. So you're really scooping under with those hips. Now you're going to think about your pelvic floor. This is great for strengthening up your pelvic floor. So really rocking, tipping the hips under, zipping that pelvic floor up. Stay here, inhale. Exhale. If this is enough for you, stay right here. If you can, you're going to release one hand away. Maybe your left hand, right hand, doesn't matter. You're going to slowly reach this up and slowly drop it back down again. Inhale. Exhale, press all the way up and lift. Now again, you want to think about rounding out through the spine, pressing the lumbar part of your spine, the bottom of your spine down to the floor. Now your coccyx, that little bony bit at the bottom of your spine, should definitely right now be on the floor, up. It should start to burn, lower back down. You've got this, 3 more this side, all the way up, lift, all the way back down and lower, 2 more this side, all the way up and lift, all the way lower back down. You've got 1 more, all the way up and lift. And then rescue yourself, wrap that hand under the thigh, but do not come up. Stick with me. Can you get that lumbar spine further to the floor? The bottom of your spine is going further to the floor, deeper C shape. You're going to lift this other hand away. Now slowly lift the hand up to the ceiling, slowly lower it back down again. You can do this. Slowly lift all the way up. It burns me too, do not worry about that. I'm right here with you in pain. Reach all the way up. Lower back down again. You should really feel those abs switch on. If you can't feel those abs switch on, double check. Are you tipping your hips under? Are you pressing the bottom of the spine down towards the floor? You've got 2 more of these to go. All the way up. Oh my gosh, all the way back down. 1 more, all the way up and all the way back down. Hand goes under that thigh. Stay right where you are. Breathe in. Breathe out, exhale, punch yourself in the stomach, get lower down to the floor. Now the lower you go, the more it's going to burn. If you want to come higher, that's the modification. Stay here. Now if this is okay for you, you are burning, stay here. Option, can you release 1 hand? Option, maybe you can release that other hand. Staying right here, let it burn. I know. Trust me, I know. You're going to go ahead, inhale. You're going to go ahead, exhale. Float those hands nice and high. Stay right where you are. The hands are high. The lumbar spine is low down towards the floor. Find the burn. Find the shake. Maybe close your eyes. Send yourself to a happy place. Give me 10 more seconds of stillness. 9, 8, isometric hold. You've got 6, 5. Let's change the waistline. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lift yourself all the way up. We've got 1 more exercise. Bringing the feet, sweeping them all the way to the back. Now I want you to send your hands underneath the shoulders, the knees are underneath your hips. You've got a nice straight line, top of the head, down towards your hips. Imagine you could balance something on your back. We're going to go in towards a prep plank position. So this is a preparation for a plank. So you're going to tuck the back toes under and then inhale in, exhale, Lift the knees up and away from the floor and hold. You should feel those abs switch on, and then lower, back down again, tap the knees. Inhale, exhale, lift the knees up, squeeze and hold. Stay right there. And then lower all the way back down. We have 3 of these. Inhale, exhale, lift the knees up, lower back down. You've got 2 more of these. Inhale, exhale, lift up, squeeze and hold. And lower back down. This is your last one. You're gonna inhale, exhale, lift and hold. Now give me 10 seconds and your workout is done. Just go. 8, 7, squeeze the navel in. You've got 6, go 5, go 4, it's over in 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lowering yourself all the way down. You're going to bring it in towards a really quick stretch, bringing your left hand across that right knee. Twist open to the side, find a nice deep breath. Open the heart out, and then other side, right hand past your left knee. Nice deep breath in. Exhale. And then back to the center. Roll the shoulders backwards and down. Grow nice and tall. Inhale in. And then exhale away. Well done everybody in your absolute beginner abs workout. Let me know how you found it down below in the comments. Give me a thumbs up as well if you enjoyed this video. See you again next time. Bye.